Alright, as you can tell by the box, it's Smith & Wesson. A Victory, Smith & Wesson 22 Victory. Fairly new gun. There's a couple of reviews. Blinkster has one. It's actually fairly impressive that I got this gun in my hand in this crappy state of New York this fast. It was just introduced at the SHOT Show. Two magazines. Picatinny rail you can put on top. I actually like the fact it just comes in a plain box. It's a budget gun. This was priced at $3.99, something around there. So I really like the fact that they keep the price down. Most of the plastic boxes, I'd rather see the gun being $20-$30 cheaper, or maybe come with an extra mag and put it in a plastic in a paper bag, because at least I can recycle this. The plastic boxes, they just take up the room. So I just picked it up, haven't cleaned it, haven't done a damn thing to it. I'm just gonna load 2 magazines. We'll shoot some Federal 22 long rifle, and let's see what we can see. Okay, like all my testing, this is gonna be highly scientific. We got 2 mags loaded with a Federal 22, which is gonna be a couple of feet away. Let's blink some steel. I'm not gonna blame the gun because I just took it out of the box. I haven't cleaned it. I got casing stuck in it. The first mag was so, had a couple of failures to feed. Now it just doesn't want to extract. Like I said, I'm not gonna blame the gun because I should probably clean it and lube it. Everything seems too dry in there. Nevertheless, we're gonna try, see how accurate it is. Let's see if we can split the card. I don't have a playing card. We're gonna split the business card. Okay, took a couple of tries, but it did split it. So it's definitely card splitting worthy gun. First impressions, although it didn't run 100%, like I said, just picked it up, haven't cleaned it, haven't lubed it, and it does feel dry. Usually when these guns come in a plastic bag, you can feel the grease all over. This one feels dry and clean, so that's probably the problem. But what I'll do is I'll get it home, I'll clean it up, I'll lube it, and we're gonna have another session, and we'll do a little more in-depth. I just put 2 mags and it ran flawlessly. My suspicion just needed a little bit braking maybe. Either way, I'll get it cleaned up and get it ready, and look forward for chapter 2. As always, have fun, keep shooting.